Agent testing is our framework for validating conversational agents in ElevenLabs. There are two kinds of tests you can create. The first is an evals-based scenario test, and the other is toolcall testing. Here's what they look like. In order to create this eval scenario, I've added a success criteria, which the LLM will evaluate whether the agent's response meets, and some success and failure examples to help the LLM's reasoning. The other kind of test that we support is a toolcall test. Agents are able to run tools like system tools or webhook tools, and it's really important to test that those are executed correctly and with the right parameters. Here I've defined that once the user says goodbye, it should run the end call tool with a polite goodbye. The parameters can be validated either with an LLM, so non-deterministically, or deterministically with a regex match or an exact match. Once you've created a test, you can attach it to an agent and then run it anytime you want to update the agent or just check that the agent is still meeting those tests. Now I'm in my agent, I can go to the test tab. To run those tests, I simply click run all tests, and after a couple of seconds, I'll get a response back. Here we can see that one test passed because the tool call was sent correctly, and one test did not pass because it tried to give the refund. To fix that, we can go over to the agent and fix the system prompt. Now, before saving this new system prompt, I can run the test before saving it live to production. This can be really useful so that you can validate your agent's new configuration before deploying it. And there we go. Now we can see that the latest test run passed because it correctly didn't give a refund and hung up when the user said goodbye. So that was a brief overview of our testing product. In the future, in these next videos, we'll go into how to make more advanced toolcall tests, how to make more advanced scenario evaluations, and more advanced testing patterns. We'll also talk about how to create tests over time from conversations that happen in production, and also talk about how to set this up in CI/CD via the agent CLI. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in those videos.